So I'm here at my grandparents' house again, and you guys may remember this smoke detector. Well, all the smoke detectors are now 10 years old, but we're mainly focusing on this one because everyone in the smoke alarm or fire alarm community knows that these are very crap. So I'm replacing it with a sorta crap device. Make sure my hearing protection's on because I'm not trying to go deaf if this thing accidentally goes off. So this is a Kitty i9040. Honestly, really crap. Here's a test. There you go. There's a dying noise. Nope. So there's that. I'm gonna take this down. Any smoke detector is actually not required up here, but when this house was built, my grandpa put one in just to be cautious, which is kind of smart. But I already have another one of these detectors in my collection, so I don't really feel like having this detector that much. Take that down. There we go. So now we are going to get the new detector, which instead of a 9-volt, it is 2 AA's. I already tested this device and there is a video of it being tested on my channel. But yeah. So here's the device. What I'm going to do is gonna write something down on these. On this label. Okay. So I have to make one of these little labels to put on the ceiling as well. Here it is. So I get the mounting. I'm not going to use the same screws. Use 2 new ones. And what's nice about this new detector is it actually has voice alerts, which I find very cool. I'm going to take out these old screws, put them in the box. Okay. We're going to take this new bracket, put this detector up. I actually think, yep, they line up perfectly, which is pretty nice. chair over a little bit so I can reach this better. Actually, use a screwdriver for this. It's really annoying when the screw is not going properly. Here we go. That one's in. Actually, I had to do this with my grandpa in their trailer because they have like a over 10-year-old trailer and their smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors were dying in there. So we actually put this exact alarm in. So now what we're gonna do, take this warning sticker. We're gonna put it right here on the wall. There. 2036. Carbon monoxide alarm / smoke, and here we go.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
So there it is. If you guys like that video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.